Tyler is so used to the routine these days. He's just all in. I guess every vlog these days you can expect us to start the vlog with unboxing. So hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And it's welcome to another vlog, another day in our crazy life, in our blessed life, let's say that. So of course the morning started off with us receiving the package. So let's go ahead and open it for you guys and see what's in there and which of you beautiful faves it's from. Ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. So you sure hold this and pull it up, 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 up. Yeah.
Nice. I take it out. In the other.
Wow. It's an activity book for Did you know that?
Yeah.
You had no idea.
It's for me. It's for me.
Yes,
it's
it is
for
for
me.
you. It's an activity book for you, Ty. Okay.
I'm so excited for it.
Let's see who it's coming from. This gift is coming from Auntie Shanique.
This one.
And Auntie says, hi Mel, I wish for you and your family many blessings and
I
prosperity.
want to take out the.
Can't wait to meet baby girl. Lots of love. Let's see what else is in here.
Yeah, I take out.
Okay, let me open it and you take it out. Take it out. Okay. So now we have to open this.
No.
Wait. Okay, you take it out now. Oh. Oh. It's something for baby sister. Let me open it so you can take it out.
Okay.
Okay, take it out. And this is a cute little onesie that says little sister, because she's gonna be little sister and you're gonna be big brother. Yeah. So she have the little sister shirt and you have the big brother shirt. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Auntie Shan. And I saw this book on
It's for me.
yeah, I saw this book. Wait. It have over 400 games and crafts and educational things that Tyler can do. So it should be an interesting book for Ty. Okay. Let's see what's in our next package. Why?
Yeah, I take out. Can you put it closer to me, please?
Yes, I will.
Here, Mom. Do.
Okay.
The scissors.
Let's open it.
Oh, what's it there?
I don't know what it is. We just have to
A
wait and
scissors.
see. Yes, it is a scissor. What's in
Yeah,
there?
I take out.
Yeah, but I have to open it for you.
Yeah, I take out. Yeah, I take out.
see who this is from. This is from Auntie Priscilla. Okay, it's a box full of goodies. Let me show you guys what come in this one. This one have a cute maternity dress for me. Okay, you can take out. I'm sorry. So this is a maternity dress that was on the registry and I like it so much. It's so cute.
Put this here.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Give me. And this is breastfeeding. This is breast milk storage bags. And this have 50 bags in it. So I can pump and store milk in the freezer. And this is like, this is a protecting, this cup is to protect your nipple when you're breastfeeding. This one is on my hospital list, so I have to take this to the hospital with me. Okay, and this is a alphabet print workbook for so thank you, Auntie Priscilla. Oh my gosh, you're gonna have so much fun with these books. Yeah. We're gonna start working with it today, right? Yeah. Okay. And this, let's open it and you can. Yeah, finish. Come take out this for Mama. Come. It's okay, leave those. Come, baby, come. He likes to organize like his mama. Take out these. These are 3 bodies for baby girl, for baby sister. So daddy little cutie on this one. This one says, pretty like mommy. Yeah. She sure will be. And this one have no writing on it. Aren't they cute? Thank you, my day ones. Thank you, Shanique, and thank you, Auntie Priscilla.
Thank you, Shanique, and thank you, Priscilla.
Auntie
Priscilla, my 2 favorite too.
Alright, you guys. So that's all the things that come in the unboxing. Thank you.
I'm not gonna cry.
No, we're not gonna cry today. Of course, Tyler wants to see his books right away. He's so excited. You want to see them. This one is a little different from this one. I didn't know that that's what this one would look like, but I thought this one was gonna be like this one where he gets to write in it. Wait, but this one is like more craft, like we read the exercise and it tells us what to do. So for example, it says bathtub finger paint and it tells you what ingredients to get and how to mix them together. So this one should be pretty interesting, but this one is not for him to write in. Wait, don't do that. So it tells him how to craft different things. Okay, so this one shall be interesting, but this one okay, so let's take off the writing pen. So it shows him how to trace over letters and numbers. Let's see what the first page look like. So it will teach him how to write. Wait, Tyler. Okay, so this is what page 1 look like, and this says, what is this?
And it's for ant.
Very good. Spell ant.
A-N-T.
Very good. And A is for?
Apple.
Spell apple.
A-P-P-L-E.
Very good. And it says, look at the letter. Trace the letter. Draw inside. Okay? Practice writing the uppercase letter A. So that's A. That's A, and you're going to write another A here, another A here, and another A here. This is uppercase A, that's lowercase a, okay? So that's capital A and that's common A.
Okay.
Okay? All right, go to the table.
Right.
Close your color book so we can do this one. You're gonna trace on the line, okay? Hold your pen properly and write on the line. Go on.
That.
Right. Continue properly and focus. Look on the book what you're doing. Very good. Continue. Finish the letter A. Very good. Continue. Very good. Okay, now do a A by yourself. How did you do a A? You do a A like this. One line down, and one line across. Okay, now you do it by yourself. Very good. Do the next line down. Very good. Do the next line across. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Oh, you guys, more packages came for today. So, we're gonna unbox it.
This is good unboxing. This one's for me and Tika. Yes, it's me and Tika.
Alright, let's see.
Me and Tika.
Okay, you will take a move your hand.
Now Tika.
Yes. Ooh, what is this? Can you take this one out, Mama? Thank you. Oh, I know what it is. This is a number towel for baby girl as she grows. We can put how much months she is on this, so she'll go right here and then we'll mark how much months she is on it. And this is coming from Auntie Miriam and Tonton Nico. This one is coming from my friends here in France, Miriam and Nico. I love it. So pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I love it. Thanks, Miriam and Nico. Alright.
It's me and Tika.
Okay, you will take out. Let's see what's in this one. Okay. Wait. Okay, now you can take it out. Take it out.
Another meal.
Oh,
Another meal.
from Auntie Shanique.
It's my friend Auntie Shanique.
Wait. Oh, these are socks for baby girl. They're socks for baby sister Tyler.
Oh yeah.
They are so cute. There's so many. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 pair of socks for my girl Tanshan. And your girl too. Alright. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's been basically a chill day around here. I just finished making dinner. I didn't show you guys the whole process, but I'll show you guys what I make before I go ahead. I'll show you guys what I made before I go ahead and share dinner, because Tyler is hungry and I'm just about hungry myself. Baby girl's hungry. She wants food. She wants food. So for dinner today, I made, in this pot, I have some green bananas and dumpling. In this one, I have brown stew fish. Get down. And in this one, I have steamed broccoli, and under it there's rice. So there we go with dinner for tonight. Can I help you? What do you want?
I want the hug and the kiss.
You want a hug and a kiss?
Yeah.
I love you too. He's the sweetest kid in the entire world. I just love my boy. Alright, you ready for dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. So we're gonna grab. We ain't gonna wait on babe. It's almost, well, it's after 6. It's after 6 p.m. and we're hungry. Babe didn't message me that he leave work as yet, which means he won't reach home until after 7. So ain't nobody gonna wait on him to eat, boy.
You look wonderful, baby.
Thank you, my
You look
love.
like an apple that we want to bite. That's not a French expression. That's just
My Tyler, till you stop it.
That's just my expression. You look like...
Babe, you're so loud and he's gone to bed and you know he's gonna tell your papa stop the laughing.
You're Jamaican tonight.
You're Jamaican tonight?
I'm loud. I'm in the funny mood. Okay,
Tyler is gone to bed and obviously he haven't fallen asleep as yet, and every time babe laugh he shout, Papa stop laughing. Anyway, you guys, we're not gonna talk too loud because obviously he can hear us. I decided that I'm going to try my best to go back to the original way of ending the vlogs by giving you guys expressions of the day, Jamaican expression and French expression, because I know you guys really enjoy that, and that's us originally. But because since my pregnancy I've become so tired at nights, I really don't end the vlogs. So we're gonna give you expressions tonight, and the Jamaican expression for today is butu. Butu.
You're butu.
No, I'm not. You don't even know what it means.
Yeah, butu.
What do you think a butu
I don't know.
means? Oh my god.
Not mean. Not nice.
So why you think I'm a butu if it's not nice? You're terrible. A butu is a person who have little or no brought up see. Meaning they have nothing about them. No manners, no care, loud. I hope mommy not watching this and see you doing that. And normally those kind of persons are from the ghetto or from the countryside. You think that's funny?
You're from the countryside.
Hell yes, I'm from the countryside. There's no denying that.
Butu?
No, I am not a Butu. You are Butu. Say it. Ow.
No, I'm not a Butu. You're Butu.
No, I'm not a Butu. You are. Anyway, say Butu.
Butu.
Yeah, that's the Jamaican
Butu.
expression. Babe, what's wrong with him tonight? Can't bother with him too. What's the French expression?
Nothing's similar. Nothing similar. The French expression will be c'est l'arbre qui cache la forêt. It's the tree that hide the forest. It simply means that don't focus on one thing. Don't focus on little details, but also like step back, take I say step back, don't focus on your little problem, don't focus on, and just look overall, and you might see that you might have a little problem at this time, but your life can be good, or you can have a lot of blessings. So it's like you can use this expression in any way. C'est l'arbre qui cache la forêt.
Qui cache la forêt.
Right.
Stella should be here to say
Tel
stop laughing before me call you honey. Jesus Christ, it's gonna make Stella call him out tonight again. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes, I miss ending the vlog like this because this is our original way of ending the Anyway, I'm gonna give him a punch when I turn off the camera so you guys won't be able to beg for him. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna give you one.